Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I did not know what I was missing out on until I had to go and get another can opener. This Gorilla Grip can opener has improved my life, and I don't even know why I didn't get a new can opener a long time ago. I like how the knob is bigger for the thumb, and then the handles have a really good grip to it, so it makes it easy whenever you're opening up a can. I didn't feel like I was struggling. It didn't hurt my wrist as I was turning it. It was super seamless. And I like how it has such a good grip that when you're holding the can, you can turn it upside down, and with one hand it stays put. And look how perfectly it cuts the metal in the can. So if you're like me and you're ready to ditch your old can opener, I am so glad I bought this. I don't know why I didn't buy it a long time ago. Things would have been a lot easier in the kitchen, and who just doesn't need to make things easier when you're cooking? And that is just my point of view.